Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on iPhone 12. So first go into the settings, then battery, and we have low power mode. The iPhone will temporarily reduce some background activities, processing speed and display brightness, and limit certain features such as 5G, iCloud syncing, mail fetch and more while active, so we can enable that if we need. Then go into the display right in here and enable the dark theme. It would allow you to save a lot of battery and enable automatic. You can enable automatic right here, and here we have brightness. Change the brightness, lower it a little right here, and we have auto lock and shorten this time, because if we have it on never, then when you leave your phone not locked, it would never lock itself and it would cost you a much battery. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.